Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is Cool Mason right here, and basically what these are some space saver bags. So I'm assuming you guys can use it like a little vacuum bag, so that way you can actually put stuff inside right here and vacuum seal it together and take out all the air, so that way you guys can actually compress it together to actually save a lot of space. If you can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like for the one that we got right here. And this comes with a pack of 4 of these right here. But I'm actually remove it from the wrapper first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. And right here, they probably got some accessories that you can use to vacuum seal the bag, I guess. And if you see in the bottom right here, they mention some of the benefits of using the product right here. And since all these are the same, let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like before we actually test it out and use it. Alright, so first thing you see right here, they show you guys how to use it. If you guys want to use it with a vacuum cleaner. Alright, so first thing you see inside, they provide you guys a little clip option, so that way you guys actually seal up the bag on the top part, which is this part right here. So you can see this is basically what the bag looks like before you guys open it. Let me actually open up and show you guys how big it is. Alright, when we open up, you can definitely see how big the bag is right here. And this is basically a slot that you can definitely use for the vacuum cleaner when you guys vacuum like the air and everything out of it. And see in the back right here, they show you guys instruction to teach you guys how to use the product. So you definitely have the option to use like a vacuum cleaner, or you can definitely use your hand to actually push out all the air as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over and test it out to show you guys how to use it and see when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the storage bag or the storage cube. So you can see we have a bunch of these comforters, bed sheet, and everything inside right here. So I'll actually seal this up and show you guys how to use it. So first what I want to do is get this right here and seal it back up. Alright, so once you guys seal up that part right there, you guys want to open up the valve right here. And then you basically just want to fold the product and press all the air out if you guys want to do it manually. But you definitely have the option to use the other accessories that they provide for you guys, so that way you can put in the vacuum cleaner to suck out all the air as well. So you definitely have those different options available. But for this test, we're going to use the air valve right here, and then we're going to use the hand to actually compress it. So you basically want to keep folding the product and then push all the air out until it's fully compressed. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. If you guys want to compress it even more, you definitely can. So definitely a pretty awesome product if you guys want to save space and have everything all organized. If you can see, it definitely works really well. And for this brand, they actually have these available for like clothes hangers and everything, where it does the same thing to actually vacuum like the clothes and everything to keep everything all organized and also save a lot of space as well. If you can see basically what we have inside earlier, it wasted a lot of space. But once we have this set up, it actually saves so much space. So now you guys all could test our product and definitely see that actually does work actually quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to actually set it all up. If you see the whole process is actually so easy to actually use it. Basically once you guys put like your clothes, your blankets or whatever inside the bag, you guys actually turn on the product and definitely use like a vacuum cleaner to suck out the air. Or if you guys want to use your hand to push out the air, you can definitely do that as well. I feel like this is actually really cool and super convenient, especially if you guys have a lot of blankets, clothes, or whatever. And if you guys don't want to hang all of it in your closet, you can definitely use this option to actually suck out all the air. So that way you guys actually save a lot more space. And this way everything is all organized, so that way you guys know where everything is as well. But that is basically everything that is on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys have a lot of clothes or a lot of blankets or bed sheets or whatever, if you guys want to compress everything together to actually save a lot of space, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.